everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, it's going to be very easy. We're going to make a vegan nut bar. Now, you know, if you want something to snack on that is healthy, full of fiber, then this one is for you guys. If you want to continue watching, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. And right here we have a variety of nuts and seed. You can play around with whatever nuts and seed you have available. Here I have sunflower seed, chia seed, I have black sesame seed. If you have the white one as well, you can use it. I have here some hemp seed, also some cashew, almond, and pumpkin seed. Now to bind this nut bar, we are going to use raisins as the binder. Now if you don't have raisins, you can use dates. I do find though dates is a little bit sweet for me, so I prefer to use raisins. Alright, first in I'm going to add in my almond nuts, sorry. You can toast these on medium to low heat. You don't want to burn these nuts, right? We're also going to toast the cashew nuts. And you kind of toss them about in the pot to prevent them from burning on each side, right? Now that these are nice and brown, we are going to add in the smaller nuts, which include the pumpkin seed and sunflower seed. And as you know, nuts are full of protein, so you'll feel fuller longer if you have this snack. Alright guys, now that our nuts are finished toasting, what you can do is to remove some, because you can chop them if you want. If you just want to have it entirely whole like that, it's totally fine. The decision is yours, alright? So what I'm going to do now is to just rough chop some of these bigger nuts. In my bowl here, I'm going to add in my remaining seeds, hemp seed, chia seed, sesame seed. Here you can go ahead and add in some salt. Rest these aside. We're going to add to our food processor the raisins to puree them a bit. Add in my raisins. My raisin looks something like this. You can see everything start to stick to the raisin already, and that's a good thing. So I've got my bowl here, and on it I'm going to add my parchment paper or your grease paper, yes. And you're going to pour the nuts on it. If they're sticking too much to your hand, guys, you can just sprinkle some grapeseed oil on your hand and just continue to work it in. You want to get it flat and even somewhat. You want to get it as compact as possible. We don't want to waste any of the little seeds. See how neat and compact it is? Beautiful. What I'm going to do now is to add it to the fridge for a few hours until it's firm, very firm, and then I take it out. Alright guys, it has been a few hours since I had it in the fridge. I didn't add it to the freezer section, but it's really very hard. Alright, so now we're going to remove it. Get this out of the way. Tasting so good. And now you can go ahead and you can cut it in the desired size and shape that you want. I am impressed with these. I thought that we had to add agave to it, you know, just to bind it in, but the raisins did its job. I'm very pleased with the outcome of these, guys. I'm very, very pleased. And you can hear the crunchiness. Man, this is something that you guys should carry to work for a little snack. It's very filling. So in case you want to snack in your unhealthy stuff around, you can just grab one of these. So amazing. So amazing. Hear that? Wow. And I was pretty nervous. I thought that I'd have to add it to the freezer and all of that. No, guys. Just make it and put it in the fridge for a few hours, and would you look at this? Everything is together. Nice crunch. Look at that. Beautiful. Very filling. Very tasty. I hope you give this one a try, guys. I want pista. Here, guys. Good. Yeah, thank you. Guys, this is so good. You have to give this a try, and you can use any nuts you have available to you. Use it in there. It's tasting so good, and it's not breaking apart, you know, and uncomfortable. It just hold nice, see? Hold up really nice. Really nice. Very impressed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.